Hello everyone, my name is Daksh. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys have already read the title, that is how to gain weight. But first of all, what kind of weight is this? There are two types of weight that you can gain. The first one is the unhealthy fat that is gained quickly just by eating the processed food that contains added sugars like the pizzas, burgers and the chocolate. And the other one is the healthy muscle mass. So today I am going to tell you how you can quickly gain weight just by adding lean muscle mass to your body. Before that, if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk a lot about men's hair, fashion, grooming, fitness and a lot more. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button down below and join our YouTube family. The first and the easiest step you can do is taking a good amount of sleep. Sleeping for 7 to 9 hours is very crucial to increase your muscle mass. Sleep enhances your muscle recovery through protein synthesis and by releasing the human growth hormone. Not getting enough sleep will cause a sharp decline in the secretion of the human growth hormone and is also associated with the loss of muscle mass and will reduce your exercising capacity. The second on the list is eating plenty of protein. Muscles are made of protein and without it, most of the extra calories that you're eating may end up as a body fat. On an average, a person should consume about 0.8 grams of protein per kg of their body weight. And if they are doing workout and aiming for some muscle growth, then this number can be increased to about 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kg of their body weight. The best way to count that how much protein you are eating is to go to Google and search that how much protein does this amount of food you're eating contains. Then do this for everything you are eating and add them all. Now compare them with your every need. This way you are going to find out how much amount of protein you should be increasing to fulfill your daily needs. The good sources of protein which you should consider adding to your diet are the paneer, egg, soya chunks, the sprouts, the dals and milk. The next thing you need to focus are the compound exercises. They are the exercises which work multiple muscle groups at the same time. They are excellent for increasing your overall muscle mass and will help you in burning some calories. Some of the compound exercises that you can perform at home are the squats, lunges, pull-ups, chin-ups and the push-ups. And they are better than the isolation exercises like the bicep curls which focus only on a single muscle group. And if you have not checked out my home workout video yet, go and watch it above here and I will also link it down below in the description. Now, one of the most overlooked habits among all other good habits is drinking lots of water. Muscle cells are made up of about 80% of water. Exercising will cause loss of water through sweating and it will impair your muscle recovery and it won't help you to increase your muscle mass. On an average, a person should drink around 1 gallon of water per day, which is equal to about 3.7 liters of water. It will keep your body hydrated and will also help in movement by acting as a lubricant in your joints. The next tip for today is eating more than what your body burns. The most important thing you can do to gain weight is to make a calorie surplus, which means that you should eat more calories than what your body actually needs. But one thing you should focus here is the quality of the food rather than just focusing on the quantity of the food. The secret to healthy weight gain is to make all the kgs that you gain as nutrient-rich as possible. Eating healthy fats, proteins, dietary fiber and carbohydrates will help you gain weight in the healthiest way possible. The last tip for today is being consistent. You cannot see results if you're not consistent. Results won't happen overnight. It takes months and months of hard work. Staying consistent is probably the most important and yet the hardest as possible in sticking to your goals. Keep on exercising and take a healthy diet. Be patient, your results will come one day. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for a lot of good content ahead. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy.